Hey guys, so this is just a quick how-to set up your Google Classroom. So the first thing that I did is I went to google.com and then I'm going to click on the upper right hand circle, and I'm going to make sure that that is the email that I'm trying to make my Google Classroom through. So ideally this would be my school email. I'm not using my school email because I've already set up one through my school email, and I want you to see exactly what it would look like to start brand new. So now I'm going to click on the 9 tiles, and I'm going to scroll all the way down, and it should have a tile that says Classroom on it. So I'm going to click that, and then it comes up, Google Classroom. I'm going to make sure again that this is the email that I want to use, and then I'll click Continue. So now to create my first class, I'm going to click on the plus button in the upper corner. The second one is create class, so I'm going to click on that. I'll read all the directions and the privacy and security settings, of course, and then I'm going to check that box and click continue. Now, when I'm setting up my class, I do have to come up with a class name. I don't have to create anything for like a section or a subject or a room unless if you choose to or you want to. So in this case, I'm just gonna, write that my subject is general education, and I'll hit create. It does take a minute for it to actually create and generate the classroom. So that's what it's doing now. It's not like frozen or anything. So now once I come in, I'm gonna click got it or X or whatever. And that'll give me just a second, like, it's just giving me kind of like updates and whatever. And then I'm going to click on select a theme because I know that that's like something that immediately I'm like, oh, I want to change this so it's more personalized to me. So I'll click select theme. They've got a ton of different themes to choose from. So they have some general ones, English and history, math and science, art, and you can use the tabs at the top to give you to get you to those other like pictures. And then you just pick the one that works best for you. So I picked that one. Now it's adjusted my theme. And ideally now I would be able to get started on some of the next steps, which I'll create a video about how to do that later. So the other way that I can do this is by going through the district portal. I know I took the long way, I'm sorry. So I'm going to click sign in, and then I can go to my search applications and type in classroom. Except I forgot how to spell, apparently. So there we go. And now it's there. And we'll click that. And it'll, this is from my school account, so it looks a little bit different. So now I have Catherine Kirby's Google Classroom that she's already created, my own classroom, and one that Dr. Wilt had us enter a while ago. So I'm going to click on mine. And as you can see, I've already started to post a couple of things, nothing like too big. And so that's the basic steps for how to create a Google Classroom. I hope that was helpful.